Most people think studying well means being naturally smart or learning fast, but that's not true. Some of the best students in the world are not fast learners at all. They are slow, careful, and consistent learners. If you've ever felt like you understand things slower than others, this video is for you. First, let's clear something important. Being a slow learner does not mean you are stupid. It simply means your brain needs more time to process information, and that is not a weakness. In fact, when slow learners understand something, they usually understand it deeply. The real problem is that most study methods are designed for fast learners. Long lectures, rushing through topics, memorizing everything at once. If you try to use these methods, studying will always feel frustrating. So instead of forcing yourself to study like everyone else, you need to study in a way that works with your brain. The first thing you must do is stop comparing yourself to others. When you compare your speed to someone else's, you create pressure. Pressure blocks learning. Your brain cannot focus when it feels stressed or rushed. Accept your pace. Learning slowly but clearly is far better than learning fast and forgetting everything. Next, reduce how much you study at one time. Slow learners do not benefit from long study hours. Instead of studying for 3 or 4 hours straight, study for short periods. 20 to 30 minutes is enough. After that, take a short break. This gives your brain time to process what you just learned. When you study, focus on understanding, not memorizing. Memorization without understanding is the biggest enemy of slow learners. Ask simple questions while studying. What is this about? Why does this work this way? How can I explain this in my own words? If you cannot explain it simply, you do not understand it yet. One powerful trick is to read out loud. Reading silently allows your mind to wander, but reading out loud forces your brain to focus. It also helps you hear the information, which strengthens memory. If possible, record yourself explaining the topic and listen to it later. Another effective method is learning by teaching. Pretend you are teaching a younger student or explaining the topic to a friend. You don't need anyone there. Just speak out loud. This exposes gaps in your understanding and helps your brain organize information more clearly. Slow learners also need repetition, but smart repetition. Instead of repeating everything in one day, spread it out. Review the same topic after 1 day, then after 3 days, then after 1 week. This method helps information move from short-term memory into long-term memory. Use simple notes, not beautiful notes. Many students waste time making colorful notes that look nice but don't help them learn. Write short points, key words, and examples. Use your own words. Messy notes that make sense to you are better than perfect notes you don't understand. If you struggle to focus, remove distractions completely. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Even a small distraction can break concentration, especially for slow learners. Create a quiet, simple study space with only what you need. Sleep is not optional. Studying while tired is like pouring water into a leaking bucket. Your brain processes and stores information while you sleep. If you don't sleep well, no study method will work. Even an extra 1 hour of sleep can improve understanding and memory. Also, don't be afraid to ask questions. Many slow learners stay quiet because they think their questions are too simple. But simple questions lead to clear understanding. The moment you feel confused, stop and ask. Confusion ignored always becomes failure later. Finally, be patient with yourself. Learning is not a race. Your job is not to finish faster than others. Your job is to understand. Progress may feel slow, but it is real. Every time you study with the right method, your brain becomes stronger and more confident. Remember this, fast learners may move ahead quickly, but slow learners build strong foundations, and strong foundations last. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe to Thinkora for more simple, powerful learning strategies. You are capable. You are not behind. You are learning your way.